guys, so we're here in Townsville already. So we're around in Walker Street. So si Mr. nandun nagtingin-tingin muna kasi hindi pa check in time. So ito yung mga building dyan guys. Ayan, o ayan 'di ba sa mga mountain. O ang laan ng building nila. Ang ganda. And ito kami mag-stay sa Civic Guesthouse. Ayan yung front office and we're waiting. So ayan siya guys. So ayan. Tahimik naman guys. What's up? Welcome to my vlog. So it's me again, Marj. And today guys, we're here at Townsville. So nagstay kami sa isang guest house dito sa Townsville. So later on I will put the name down below in the description. So yeah, ito yung room namin guys. So it's we choose a twin bedroom. So ayan, so dito si Mr. Dyan ako. So for a change, we what do you call it? We try to experience new things. So ito lang guys, this is our room, and but we have separate bathroom and toilet. So yeah, I'll show you later on. And I'm gonna arrange our stuff there. So we have dyan, refrigerator. Pero ito guys, walang TV. So we decide to choose this one so that we can, get away from tech. So yeah, so Mr. nasa baba. I'll show you later guys around the area, okay? And I will give you more details soon. So this is our room guys. Pretty basic but okay na. This is our bedroom. Ayan, twin bedroom. So doon ako, dito si Mr. For a change. And they have little cabinets here. Ayan oh. And they have towel, sheets. And ano pa ba? Dito, refrigerator at saka bin. Very simple, and then ayan siya yung looks. Ayan. So, naglakad kami guys. We're gonna go to the shopping center. So, yeah. Ito yung view dyan behind me. Si Mr. We're here outside guys. So this is the main highway here. And that's the view in there, the building. And si Mr. is may tinignan doon na motorbike. So yeah. Punta na kami, pauwi na sa tawag? Pasensya na. Nervous ako. Sa stayhan namin guys na guest house. So, malapit na lang guys, mga 10 steps siguro. 'to, yeah. Ito yung view. Ito siya, guys. So, ito ang view paggabi, guys, dito sa guest house namin. Tapos, yan yung city center. So, ayan, oh, kita nyo ba, guys? Ito yung hallway. Then, dito ako watch ng movie. And then, yung iba, ayan. Yung iba. Si Mr. tulog pa, guys.